The inland motor Kollmorgen rdp-15885-603 is a very old DC motor control, used in a very large 150 horsepower DC motor at a steel rolling facility. This motor control had several issues when it arrived, and after rebuilding each and every subassembly card, plus replacing all the output SCRs, we were able to get it to the operational state seen in the video. We attached this motor control to one of our DC test motors and ran the unit for a couple of hours, ensuring it had no heat-related issues. DC motor technology is not currently in favor in terms of new equipment, but for many years it was the bedrock of the industry motors and motor control. ERD has repaired many brands and types of DC motor controls, and is ready regardless of the age of the system. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.